Hi guys, welcome back. So as you can see, I've done my base makeup and we're going to be taking a look at this. This is the fake version of the Tarte Sex Kitten eyeshadow palette. And what we're going to do today is it actually comes with this. This is two different forms of eyeshadow that you can do. One's called Innocent Eyes and then we've got Sexy Stare. So I'm just going to put this here. If you want to read it, then pause the video and go ahead. So what we're going to do is we're going to try and recreate this look by copying the instructions. Okay, so first off it says sweep slide all over the lid from lash line to brow bone using a fluffy blending brush. Okay, so I'm going to use my 228 Luxe Crease brush, and slide is this shade right here. Okay, so we've done that. Blend Secret into the inner corner and on the top of the brow bone with a small tapered brush. Okay, so, oh, wrong one. For the inner corner, I'm going to use my 237 Detailed Shader brush from Jessup. And Secret is this shade right here. So let's pick her up. And like it said, put on the inner corner. My face does not match my body today. I've been out in the sun. And then on the brow bone. Oh, wrong one. Okay, so next, dust pour into the outer crease using the fluffy blending brush. So it wants us to create an eye shape now. So let's have a look. What shade did it say? Pour. Okay, so this is the shade Pour. I'm actually going to use a pencil brush to use this to create the shape in my eye. Okay, oh, my leg's gone dead. Great. Okay, and then it says, define and deepen the crease by blending cunning precisely below the brow bone and towards the inner corner. So basically all across my lid. And cunning. So cunning is this pink shape here. So this one's got to go all across my lid. Where did it go? Oh, here it is. Press Feline onto the lid and into the lower lash line. What is it? Feline. Okay, so that's this colour here. It wants me to put that on the other part of my lid. So here. What shade? Feline it said, didn't it? Okay. So it wants it concentrated mostly at the lash line. Okay, I've got to go in and blend this because it looks silly at the minute. Just blend. There we go, that's better. Okay, and that is the end. There is no way on earth that this, look how dark this shadow is right here. It's dark on the outer corner, not as light as this at all. So there is another shade here. It's called Wildcat. So I'm going to pick some of that up and see if I can make it look a little more like the picture. And again with my blending brush. That's looking better. A lot better. Do take quite a bit of blending, but so far these eyeshadows are great. Hasn't really got a definitive like line either, so I'm trying to get rid of that. There. That's a bit more like it. Now it looks a little bit more like the actual picture. Right, so now we're going to go on the other side and we're going to do the sexy stare look. Sweep raw all over the lid and right under the brow bone using a fluffy blending brush. Raw is this white shade here. Okay, blend Wildcat into the crease using the same brush. Again, I'm going to create the eye shape with a different brush. I'm going to use a pencil brush. And the shade Wildcat is this purple, the one I used to darken that side. And if you look on the picture, it's very defined. Like this one, it's, if you look, like, it doesn't really come to a massive line. It sort of just blends, but this one has got a definite like shape to it. So I think we're going to be able to recreate this one a lot better. So blend it a bit. My eyebrows look hideous, guys. Okay, so that's blended. What have we got next? Dust prowl into the outer crease, focusing on the outer corner. So I'm going to use my little brush again, wherever it's gone. Where'd you go? There you are. So prowl is this blue shade here. So pick that up. And like it said, focus it on the outer corner. Because I'm just going to give that a little blend. I think we need just a tad more. Okay, what have we got next? Press secret to highlight the inner corner using a small tapered brush. So we'll use this brush again. And secret is the big shade. So inner corner and my lid. So picked up loads of product there. Dampen a liner brush and line top and bottom lash line with Wildcat. Okay, so I'm going to go in again with Wildcat. And like it said, concentrate it on my lash line. Again, blend. And it also says to do the underneath with Wildcat, so let's go in with Wildcat. And then it just says, finish by applying 2 coats of Man-Eater Voluptuous Mascara to the top and bottom lashes. I don't actually have that, but this is a side-by-side view. I should really put some more, I could put some more product there. But this looks a lot closer than that. I had to darken it up myself because it said nothing about darkening it up. So let's quickly put some eyeliner and mascara on. My eyeliner that I use, if I can find it, here we go, is this Technique eyeliner. So take the lid off. Oh. So there's some liner. Now for the mascara, I use the Technique Mega Lash with argan oil. And there we go. That is the review and looks on the Fake Tarte Sex Kitten palette. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. If you did, give the video a thumbs up. And I will see you in the next one, guys.